Mastering crypto transfers is key. And today we're demystifying sending your Shiba Inu from Binance to Trust Wallet and SafePal. First up, transferring SHIB from Binance to Trust Wallet. Log into your Binance account, navigate to your spot wallet, and find Shiba Inu. Click on the withdraw button. Ensure Shiba Inu SHIB is selected now. For the crucial part, your Trust Wallet address. Open your Trust Wallet app, find Shiba Inu, and tap the Receive button. Copy your SHIB receiving address. This is where your SHIB will arrive. Back on Binance, paste that copied address into the recipient's TRC20 address field. TRC20 is the network for SHIB on Binance. Double-check this address for accuracy. A single typo can mean lost funds. Next, enter the amount of SHIB you wish to send. Binance will display the network fee. Confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to complete security verification steps. Now, let's move to SafePal. The process is very similar. Log into Binance. Navigate to withdraw SHIB this time. Open your SafePal app, find Shiba Inu, and tap Receive. Copy your SafePal SHIB receiving address. Paste your SafePal SHIB address into the Binance recipient field again. Verify that address meticulously. Select the TRC20 network on Binance. Enter your desired withdrawal amount. Binance will show the transaction fee, review everything, and confirm the withdrawal, completing any required security checks. Once confirmed on Binance, head back to your Trust Wallet or SafePal app. Your SHIB tokens should appear in your wallet balance after a few minutes. You can also track the transaction on the blockchain using the transaction ID provided by Binance. And that's how you securely transfer your Shiba Inu from Binance to both Trust Wallet and SafePal. Stick around for more crypto tips.